Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to open your Google Chrome using keyboard shortcut. There are several ways depending in your operating system. Here's how you can do it. Using the Windows key plus number shortcut. If Google Chrome is pinned to your taskbar, press Windows key plus number where the corresponding Chrome position is on the taskbar. For example, in my case, it's in second, so I'll press Windows plus 2. Then your Chrome will automatically turn on. Then after, you have using the run dialog, press Windows plus key plus R to open the run dialog. Type Chrome and press enter, or you can create a keyboard shortcut. Right click the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop, press properties. In this shortcut tab, click on the shortcut key fields and press the key combination you want to use, then tap on OK. You can open the Chrome with that shortcut. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.